I'm sorry for the way we left things. I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war. I'm still learning how to.
Hi loves, how are you? Welcome back. Today we're gonna create a lazy girl updo. So begin by selecting our top section like I'm showing. Basically this is half of our hair and we'll make with it a ponytail using a clear elastic, but make sure on last time to pull your hair only halfway through like that, and then you want to pull a little bit the crown to make it fuller and voluminous. Now grabbing the ends, we want to wrap them around our elastic and make sure to tuck into the elastic the ends underneath and loosen our created bun, and then we want to make with the rest a low ponytail. Loosen it, divide the ponytail into two equal sections and make a row braid. So basically you twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way, and then you want to tie the ends using a clear elastic. Also make sure to pull your row braid to make it fuller looking, and bring our braid upper and over our first bun, wrapping kind of our first bun like that. Then you want to pin it in place using grips and bobby pins. You can make here an S shape or any type of bun that you like. And if you don't know guys, when you're making a row braid, your updo will always look so different. I hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial so far. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. I wish you all a happy Women's Day. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.
Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some